In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your bank and credit card accounts using Wave, an easy-to-use accounting software that's perfect for small businesses. By following along with these steps, you'll be able to ensure your records are accurate and up to date in no time. First, let's head over to the Wave accounting website. You can open up your favorite web browser and simply type in waveapps.com. Once the site loads, you need to locate the Sign In button. You'll find it right at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're on the login page, notice the option to sign in with Google. If you have your Google account linked to Wave, this is a quick way to get access. Just click on Sign In with Google, and then choose the Google account you wish to use. This should bring you directly into your Wave dashboard. With Wave open, let's move on to the next step. Find Accounting in the menu options. It will usually be on the left side of your dashboard. Click on that, and then proceed by selecting Transactions. This is where you'll manage and review all your financial entries. On the Transactions page, you need to select the specific account you want to reconcile. At the top left, there's a drop-down menu. Choose the bank or credit card account you are focusing on today. Once the account is selected, you'll see the option to turn on reconciliation on the top right side of this page. Clicking this activates the feature, allowing you to start reconciling. Next, a really important step. You'll need to enter the statement end date. The system needs this date to provide a snapshot of your transactions up until that specific point. Carefully select the correct date based on your most recent statement. Now, look for the closing balance field. This is where you type in the balance shown on your bank statement for the end date you've selected. Ensuring this number is accurate is critical, as it forms the basis for the reconciliation process. With the end date and closing balance in place, you're ready to hit Start Reconciling. This begins the process where you will match your transactions in Wave to those on your bank statement. As you line each one up, you'll click Match on the far right of each transaction to confirm it aligns with your bank records. Finally, once you've matched all transactions and everything is balanced, it's time to wrap things up. Look for the End Reconciliation button. Clicking this completes the process and ensures your records are all set, and that's it. You've successfully reconciled your accounts in Wave, making sure everything aligns with your financial statements. Following these steps regularly will help maintain accurate financial records for your business. Thanks for joining, and be sure to check back for more helpful finance and accounting tips.